Welcome to ACN. Today, we'll explore exciting opportunities in kitchen management and automotive programs in Australia, and how these courses can lead to permanent residency for international students. Australia offers a variety of kitchen management programs across multiple institutions, providing a blend of culinary arts and management skills. These programs are ideal for those aspiring to careers as chefs, kitchen managers, or even culinary entrepreneurs. In addition to developing practical cooking techniques and managerial abilities, many graduates may qualify for the temporary graduate visa. This visa allows international students to gain essential work experience in Australia, which can be a significant step towards achieving permanent residency. The combination of hands-on experience and industry exposure makes these programs a valuable pathway for a future in Australia. Similarly, automotive programs are available across various Australian institutions, focusing on the latest in vehicle technology, diagnostics, and repair. These courses are designed to equip students with the skills needed to excel in the automotive industry. For those interested in careers such as automotive technicians or service managers, these programs provide a comprehensive education. Moreover, completing an eligible automotive program can also open doors to temporary graduate visa, allowing students to gain crucial work experience in Australia. This experience can be instrumental in pursuing permanent residency, making these programs an attractive option for international students. Australia's educational landscapes offers diverse opportunities in kitchen management and automotive fields, along with the potential pathways to permanent residency. If you're ready to start your journey, explore our partnered programs and learn more about how you can build a future in Australia. Visit our website to contact us today for more information.